Only pero common po na ano na ang mataas po ang mortality rate ng cancer sa Pilipinas kasi nga medyo ayan lalo na yung mga dialysis na yan medyo hindi natin afford. Pero nung panahon ni PRD, tinatry niya na talagang dumami yung mga dialysis centers at may mga kumbaga taasan yung coverage ng PhilHealth dyan sa mga dialysis center na yun. Sabi ni Junbag sa amin, banda may Healthway Cancer Hospital. Talaga, yan, pakinggan natin tong na to, and this is something that's really good na sana marami pa pong mga ganitong klase ng mga projects.
As we open this first hospital in the Philippines dedicated to cancer care, this Healthway Cancer Care Hospital. I have to congratulate the Ayala Healthcare Holdings, Inc. and its chairperson, Fernando Sobel de Ayala, for this noble achievement. Let me also recognize the city government of Taguig, the Department of Health, the FDA, for their efforts in accelerating the process to establish this facility. The opening of the HCCH will go a long way in improving access to quality cancer care for many Filipinos. Moreover, this endeavor highlights our strong partnership with the private sector in strengthening our healthcare system, which is aligned with the Philippine Health Facility Development Plan and the Integrated Cancer Program. All of this is geared towards our goal of universal healthcare. With the help of HCCH, we can revolutionize the cancer care service industry in the Philippines through modern, state-of-the-art equipment, coupled with leading medical professionals and oncologists.
He's calling all of the rich people in the Philippines to spend their money making the Philippines better in terms of infrastructure. Parang gastusin natin lahat ng mga bilyones natin sa magagandang mga kalsada, mga tulay na nagko-connect-connecta ng mga isla ng Pilipinas. Kasi kapag naging konektado ang Pilipinas, sigurado tayo na mas mabilis yung palitan ng mga produkto, mas mapapababa natin yung cost ng transportation charges ng mga bagay-bagay. Maganda yung istorya ni Steve Jobs na napanood ko. Sabi niya, I've made so much money in my lifetime na nandito ako ngayon sa isang maliit na kwarto na madilim at mag-isa ako at malapit na akong mamatay. Sabi niya, sobrang dami kong pera, sobrang talino ko, sobrang dami kong ideas, sobrang dami ng nagawa ko sa mundo. Pero eto ako, namamatay ako at hindi ko mapigilan yun. Yung aking pagkawala rito sa mundo at ang masaklap, mag-isa ako, malungkot ako at ang dilim-dilim ng kwarto ko. Ang ibig niyang sabihin is, naging mayaman siya pero hindi siya naging masaya. So importante talaga, sabi nga nila, instead of telling your kids to grow up being wealthy, sabi niya, please advise your kids to grow up being happy.
It will certainly positively reflect on the country's growing potential as a leading healthcare destination in Asia. Cancer still remains as one of the most dreaded illnesses in the country. Secretary Ted Herbosa just informs me that the cancer is now number 3 in terms of mortality for our general populace.
Imagine, number 3 sa mortality. Ibig sabihin, karamihan ng mga Pilipino na namamatay is cancer. Pag sinabi mong karamihan ng mga namamatay na Pilipino is cancer, kasama dyan yung mga mahihirap kasi karamihan ng mga Pilipino mahirap.
However, with facilities such as this, we will allow the main weapon that we have in combating cancer, early detection. Early detection, this allows us for patients the best chance in fighting this disease. We therefore encourage all Filipinos to get regular checkups now that we have the facilities by going to community health centers. We have also made available primary care services where patients may consult for early detection of cancer. Our PhilHealth Consulta primary care team is also available to provide free diagnostic examinations and laboratory tests. I cannot forget very early on in my political career, when I was reminded. I was governor then, and and my staff could not understand. It says you're using.
Sabi natin na walang pamilya sa Pilipinas na cancer-free. O lahat po ng pamilya sa Pilipinas, feeling ko kung hindi man na itong first generation nyo, yung mga nakarang henerasyon, sigurado meron namatay dyan. At yan yung complications. Actually, yung cancer is hindi naman siya yung talagang papatay sa'yo. Yung complications ng cancer, yun yung papatay sa'yo. Hindi lang natin alam kung ito bang ospital na to is private. Ano ba to? I mean, yes, it's a cancer hospital, specialist sa cancer, but the question is, afford kaya yan ng mga mahihirap? Baka, yun lang, ang question yan is baka since Healthway yan and Healthway is Ayala, alam naman natin, Ayala is all about business. So, ano po kaya ang dyan? May bayad ba yan? O libre ba yan? Or what?
1/3 of your provincial budget for healthcare. That is, we've never seen that before. And I quoted to them. I said, no matter how wealthy you are, no matter how successful you are, you cannot enjoy that wealth or that success if you do not have your health. And that is why it is a priority. It may not be politically saleable. Ang lagi kong sinasabi ko pagka-eleksyon, sinasabi mo, tignan mo yung ginawa kong eskwelahan, tignan mo yung ginawa kong kalsada. What do you say about healthcare? Oh, our people are healthy. That's why people tend to deprioritize it because of political concerns. But nonetheless, I cannot remove that from my mind. As I was told, I was advised, healthcare is important simply because nothing else matters if you are ill.
Yeah, at alam nyo ba, sabi nga ni Marcos, health matters. Kasi kahit na mayamang ka o mahirap ka, pag may sakit ka, yari ka. Kaya dito sa pagkakasakit, dito lang tayo nagiging pantay-pantay sa mga mayayaman. Minsan, yung sakit ng mayayaman, sakit mo rin na mahirap. Ang kaibahan lang sila may pangpagamot, ikaw wala. Kaya nga napakaganda nito na meron tayong, kumbaga di ba dati, yung nanay niya, nagpatayo ng heart center, nagpatayo ng kidney center. Di ba? Ganon. Meron tayong ganon dahil yan sa kanyang tatay. So ngayon naman, sumunod siya sa yapak ng kanyang tatay for pagpapasinaya noong cancer hospital. Sana government hospital, nanay, hindi, alam mo, feeling ko nanay, hindi to government hospital. Feeling ko hindi kasi Healthway malaki binabayad ko dyan pag dyan ako nagpapacheck up nanay. Madugo yan. Sana lang siguro ang panawagan natin sa mga LGUs maging katulad ng Makati. Pagdating kasi napakaganda talaga ng healthcare system sa Makati. Kahit papaano meron silang yellow card sa Makati, tapos libre sila sa mga Makati Med, yung mga private hospitals ng Makati. So sana sabi nga nila, sana ay itong mga kumpanya na ito ng mga private hospitals tumanggap ng mga government projects.